Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today is another video. I'm going to cast off my last paycheck in August, and this is for my bill binder and my daily envelopes. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, you know how it goes. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming. And I really appreciate everybody checking my channel out. There's a lot of stuff coming on this channel. So if you haven't clicked on the subscribe button and the bell beside it, please do so that you don't miss any of my video. Okay, let me make a quick announcement. So for starting September, I'm doing a lot of stuff for myself, for my challenges and everything. We're going to do 100 days to Christmas. Through the 100 days to Christmas, each day I'm going to save. I'm going to do my additional 100 envelope savings challenge and also the 52-part savings challenge. Both those challenge within 100 days. And every day I'm going to show the video. I'm going to show it as a short video. Then at the end of the week, I'll come tell you guys how much I put it in those two challenge. As I'm doing that, I'm still going to do my 100 envelope savings challenge for the family savings and also for the travel. But that one is no rush. I think I'm going to do one number each week, if I'm not mistaken. So all those things are coming up. And also I'm trying to organize my video in such a way that I will give you guys video every day for the next 3 months. Hopefully I can do it. So now that it's all done, now that I've made the announcement, let's count the money and let's go ahead and cast off the envelopes. Your girl is looking for the calculator. As always. Always, I can find my calculator. Okay, this is my calculator. Let's go ahead. 1, 2, that's 200. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 850 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 580. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 440 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 85. Okay, so I'm going to put in 2,155. So let's go ahead and do it quick before. Okay, so let's start with my daily binders. For the daily binder, for people who have been asking me for this wallet, I do have some in my shop still. It's 25% off on Etsy shop, so make sure you check it out. And let's make so that you won't miss it. It's due next week. So now let me empty the wallet quick. Then I'll go ahead and stuff it for the next 2 weeks. Eating out, I'm going to put it back. I'm going to add more to it. Oh, that's day 9. Eating out, I'll leave it. Low cost, others including, I'll leave it. For my nails, I'm going to leave it. For my hair, I'm leaving it miscellaneous. I think I'm leaving everything. The only thing I'm going to take is the dollar out. And this is the receipt I'm going to put on fetch. So now let's do this. So for personal, my personal is getting $20. For blessing is getting 20. I hope everybody's doing well today. Thanks for checking my channel. For grocery is getting 300. 1, 2, 300. For gas is getting 50. And for gas, I've been using the app side, and I'm loving it. I think I have to share my code here in case somebody want to check it out. They show you where to get the gas, and you get money after that, and that money can be put towards gift card and stuff. And I'm loving it. I already have $7. I started using it like last week. For Sam's is getting $100. For Flash, is getting $10. For date night is not getting, let me see. I think I will do $10 for date night. So it means that I have $20, which we did not go for this month, but coming month we have a lot of stuff coming up this month, so that will pay off. For eating out, I'm going to just leave this $20. For local store, I'm doing $100. And these are also part of the grocery, but we use it to buy our local food, which doing it this way has really helped. For clothing, I'll just do $5. How much do I have here? My son wants expensive shoe. Teenage boys are high maintenance, but he has to start working. He's turning 14 next month, and he's going to start working. Hopefully I can get a job that will say 14 years old. Probably next year, 15. I think we might. For my nails is getting $40. This is $40. Let me count it. I'm going to take it out and switch it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so today is getting another 40. I'm putting it here, then I'll put 80, and then maybe 20s. 4 of the 20s. I'll go do my nails, but not now. For my hair, I'm not doing my hair. For miscellaneous, no. So that's all for my daily wallet. This is how it looks like. When you buy it, I add a chain to it for you as well. So I'll put that one on the side. Then now, let's go ahead and do my bill binder. That's one of my favorite binders. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna finish the rest of the envelopes, and I'm gonna unstarve it and go put it in my account to pay for the bills. So for this 2 weeks, we are only gonna cast off my mortgage, which is $1,200. So let me see if this money is gonna be enough for $1,200. I have to top up $1,200 and become $1,400. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 2 3 4 5 8. 1 2 3 4 5 9. 1 2 3 4 5,000. Then I need 200. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so that's 1,200. So that one goes here. Then I'm gonna take it to the bank for my mortgage for the coming month. Okay, for my phone bills, not this time. For that is getting $200. But let me see. I don't think my money is going to be enough. So let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so that one goes into that. I'm going to make a major payment this tomorrow, if I should say. Okay, that one electricity is getting 1 2 3 4 5. I'll do 50 for that. Then home gas, I'll do 30. Then for my next paycheck, I'll top it up for the bills. It's already been paid, but I'm saving it for next month. Okay, for internet, no. For car insurance, no. For credit, no. Subscriptions, no. For social media, it's getting 50. 1 2 3 4 5. For investment, it's getting 50. So let me see if it's enough. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then I think I'll do 75 for investment. Normally I'll buy single shot stocks in my Cash App, so I'll top it up with 25. So that one goes here. Okay, I think that's all for this pay period. The rest of the money, I'll put it in my, let's see, in my electricity. Normally it's 130. So I do have, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 85. So add that one to it. Okay, so that's all for these bills for this month. Look at how it is. See that? I'm loving it. This is my bill binder. So thank you for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. I'll see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.